The other example related to Cartesian coordinate system, wherein we are again asked to trace the given curve. So the example is trace the curve a y square is equal to x square into a minus x, right? So again I will be expressing the given curve into the form y square is equal to, I will be expressing the given curve as y square is equal to x square into a minus x upon a, even powers of x or y. After the simplification of this particular numerator, I observe that even power of y only appears and x का power होता है odd, that is 3. So therefore curve contains even power of y, it is symmetric about x axis. Accordingly, when you put, or when we are putting x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 0, so the curve passes through origin. How to calculate the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is calculated by opening the bracket or doing the simplification and then equating the lowest degree term to 0. So what is the lowest degree term over there? It becomes a y square is equal to a x square. So I can write it as a y square minus a x square equal to 0. I am left with y square is equal to x square. So y is equal to plus minus x. Roots are real and unequal, that is real and different, and therefore it is a node. How are the intercepts to be calculated? For x intercept, put y equal to 0. For y-intercept, put x equal to 0. So accordingly, whenever you put x is equal to 0, you get x is equal to a. So accordingly, 0 comma 0 is the particular point, and then you get the other point as a comma 0. So the origin is 0 comma 0 and other point of intersection is a comma 0. Accordingly, then putting x is equal to 0, you get y square equal to 0, that is curve will cut at 0 comma 0. How to calculate the asymptotes? There are no asymptotes to the given curve because denominator itself is a constant term, right? Here there is no provision of getting down certain variable and putting the value of that variable. You are turning the denominator to 0. How to get the region of existence? If the value for x is greater than a, then it will become negative, and for those negative values y will be having imaginary roots, right? So therefore for x greater than a, because it is a minus x, if x is greater than a, obviously the term will be negative. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so obviously the term will be negative, and y square is equal to negative means y is imaginary. Therefore the curve does not exist for x greater than a, it is existing for the negative values as well, right? So therefore the points are taken as one coordinate. What we have got is 0 comma 0 and a comma 0. Take some negative values, some positive values till a, and appropriately try to find out the answer. So accordingly, when you plot the points, you will get the node. Node means this is particularly the curve which is tangent at the origin, and accordingly you will be having the figure in this way. In the earlier question, I think the figure was like this. Okay, so accordingly you get this particular answer. So the another curve which says that it is symmetrical about both the axes, the curve is y square multiplied by a square plus x square is equal to x square into a square minus x square. Simplify, express y square is equal to this, as the curve contains all powers of y and x even, therefore it is symmetric about both the axes. Putting x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 0, that means it passes through origin. Simplify the given curve, equate the lowest degree terms to 0, your answer is y is equal to plus minus x, which is a node, and then try to find out the intercepts. Putting x is equal to 0, you get y equal to 0. Putting y equal to 0, you get x is equal to whatever values appropriately you find out and simplify. As the denominator is never tending, square of any number will never tend to 0, right? Or rather, if I take x is equal to 0, 0 plus a square is going to be a square in the denominator. So this denominator cannot tend to 0, and therefore y is not tending to infinity in this case. And since it is not tending to infinity, there is no tangent which will meet the given curve at infinity, and hence I say that there are no asymptotes to the given curve. Region of existence: for x greater than a, curve does not exist. It exists only for x less than minus a. इमेजिनरी कहां से कहां तक रहेगा? माइनस ए टू ए के लिए ही वैल्यूज एग्जिस्ट हो रहे हैं. सिंप्लीफाई करिएगा, ज्वाइन द पॉइंट्स. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली सिमेट्रिकल, infinity shape, symmetrical about y-axis, symmetrical about x-axis. So even powers of x as well as y seen together appropriately, we can have the simplification. Some problems are there for homework. You can try these particular examples and see how the region can be drawn. I think in the PDF such homework problems and moreover some solutions are also provided. So this is again one of the curve which is given by this. Check the symmetry, find out the intercepts and simplify. Accordingly ये वाला जो है x tending to 0, when x is equal to 0 means y axis will be the asymptote. So in this case this will be the asymptote where the curve will meet the tangent will meet the curve at infinity. In this all the powers are even, so I can say that it is symmetric about both the axis and simplification can be done appropriately. So whatever will be the node है यानी infinity वाला symbol बनेगा, symmetrical about both axes x as well as y. So accordingly wherever you have such kind of situation, you get the curve in the symmetric or in the infinity shape. So that particular curve which is given to you as y square is equal to x square minus x to the power 4, all powers are even, equate the lowest degree term to 0, appropriately simplify and get the answer. These are the solutions which are given. Certain points are assumed in between the range and we have got the answer. Another homework problem wherein it is a square x square is equal to y square into 2a minus y. Accordingly, you simplify the denominator for this. Yes. So symmetric about कौन सा axis आएगा? Given equation contains powers of x which are even. This is basically to be expressed as more terms are containing y. So you can have it as a function x as a function of y. So similarly you try to simplify and get the parameters checked. After the parameters are simplified, you can easily know where the intercepts are, where the actual asymptote is and how the region of the curve will be. So this particular will be symmetrical about y-axis. Curve is expressed as x is equal to function of y. So this is how we try to simplify and get the answer for the Cartesian coordinate system.